White River is unique. It's the only glacial-fed river in King County. That presents unique challenges and opportunities. In January of 2009, over 100 residents, and several hundred people were affected by the flood. Your roads are closed. While we have put in place temporary flood protection measures for many years, the County Line Levee Setback Project is the first of two planned levee setbacks. And these projects will work together to provide a permanent flood protection for Pacific and reduce the extent of flooding in the city of Sumner as well. I'm really grateful to work with the City of Pacific and most importantly with Dan here, who is the mayor of the City of Pacific. She has been a squeaky spring making sure that we knew this community needs oil, and the people of King County provided that oil in terms of the tax dollars that have been provided down here. I remember meeting with former Governor Riechbaur. She grew up down here. She remembers as a child growing up down in this area in the valley, every winter being flooded, having her mother and father experience that. The work we're making today and the efforts we're producing today will hopefully make sure there's more stability and predictability for the residents of this valley. As I said at the outset, the White River is a unique river. It's the only glacial-fed river in King County. And that produces unique opportunities and challenges. But today, I think we're finally meeting some of those challenges with the commitment by the Flood District. And I want to thank Sheriff Reagan Dunn for his efforts. This time, I'd like to invite Dan Gear, the Mayor of Pacific, to share some comments about the impact the Flood District has had on her community and the efforts she and her city are making with the Flood District to help the residents